The 8th largest bank by assets in North America, BMO Harris Bank provides banking, investment services and loans to more than 12 million customers in the U.S. and Canada. It's headquartered in Chicago and can trace its founding back to 1847. Fixed-rate mortgages and home refinancing are available in 15 and 30-year terms. Adjustable-rate mortgage (ARM) options for purchase and refinancing at BMO Harris come in 5-year and 7-year initial fixed-rate terms. Conventional mortgage requirements include a minimum 3% down payment and 620 credit score. Federal Housing Administration (FHA) mortgages and refinancing are available. FHA mortgages require only a 580 credit score, and BMO Harris Bank notes that borrowers may not have to make a down payment. Both a BMO Harris Bank Home Equity Line of Credit (HELOC) and Home Equity Loan allow borrowers to take out up to $150,000 and have a 5 to 20-year repayment period. Fixed and variable HELOC rates are available. A minimum 700 credit score is typically required. A jumbo loan allows you to borrow more than the conforming loan limit in your area. Jumbo loans are available at BMO Harris Bank in the same terms as conventional loans, 15 and 30-year terms for fixed-rate mortgages, and 5 and 7-year ARMs. Construction loans are available as fixed-rate loans, ARMs and one-close construction/permanent loans for borrowers who dream of building their perfect home. Home Possible loans are available at BMO Harris Bank for low to moderate income homebuyers who want flexible down payment and closing cost requirements. The cross-border mortgage program allows Canadians to buy or refinance U.S. homes. BMO Harris Bank will work with down payment assistance programs from housing finance agencies, which can provide up to $10,000. The BMO Harris Bank Affordable Housing Grant Program offers grants up to $3,000 for borrowers buying or refinancing homes in select counties in Arizona, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, Washington, and Wisconsin. In addition, the bank offers its own neighborhood home loan product aimed to help homebuyers gain a low mortgage payment and a down payment as low as 1%. You can request a pre-qualification online to receive an estimate of how much you could be approved for and a ballpark of your monthly payment. Whether you skip the pre-qualification or not, you could apply directly for a mortgage with BMO Harris Bank either online or in person at a branch. If you choose to complete an online application, you can call a mortgage banker at any time during the process. Neither process is 100% automated, as you'll receive a call from a banker after you submit the forms. You can call BMO Harris Bank customer service at 888-482-3781 during the following times for live support. Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time. Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time. Saturday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Central Time. If you'd rather someone called you instead, you can fill out a contact form and request that a BMO Harris Bank representative call or email you. There's also an online form you can use 24/7 to provide greater detail and kickstart an email exchange directly, or you could use the website's branch locator to find the location closest to you. LendingTree's mortgage lender rating is based on a 5-point scoring system that factors in several features, including digital application processes, available loan products, and the accessibility of product and lending information. LendingTree's editorial team calculates each rating based on a review of information available on the lender's website. Lenders receive a half point on the offer's standard mortgage products criterion if they offer only 2 of the 3 standard loan programs, conventional, FHA and VA. In some cases, additional information was provided by a lender representative. To create our Bankrate scores, we evaluated lenders based on availability, affordability, and customer experience. Availability was assessed based on the minimum loan amount required, time to approval, days to close, minimum draw requirements, minimum credit score requirements, and loan types offered. Affordability was assessed based on minimum APR, discounts and promotions offered and associated fees. Customer experience was assessed based on online application and account availability, customer support, auto payment availability, and mobile app availability and ratings. BMO Harris Bank advertises both home equity loans and HELOCs with no application fees and low to no closing costs. This can be a big advantage when you're looking to use one of these lending products to get extra cash. One important note, however, if you close your account within 3 years, the bank might charge a fee to recoup the closing costs. Additionally, the variable rate HELOC comes with a $75 annual fee during the draw period, and there's a $75 fee every time you convert a fixed-rate lock option after closing. You can get either a home equity loan or a heloc with BMO Harris Bank, and the terms and conditions vary between the two. You'll receive a 0.5% interest rate discount for setting up autopay from a qualifying BMO Harris account. BMO Harris Premier Services customers might get an additional 0.25% rate discount on helocs. With a home equity loan from BMO, you'll choose a term from 5 years to 20 years, with loan amounts ranging from $25,000 to $150,000. Having your rate and term fixed at the beginning of your loan ensures you have a set monthly payment for the life of your loan. With a heloc, you have the flexibility to borrow as much or as little as you need, between $25,000 to $150,000. You're only charged interest on the amount that you actually borrow. There's a 10-year draw period when you can access your available credit. After the draw period, you'll pay the remaining balance over a 20-year term. Notably, you do have the option, for a fee, to convert some of the variable rate balance to a fixed rate. Physician mortgage loans offer a unique opportunity for young doctors looking to purchase a home. Offering zero to low down payments, no PMI, and flexibility when reviewing your debt-to-income ratio, doctor loans make it possible for doctors early in their careers to secure a mortgage for their dream home. Even if you're still burdened with medical school debt and haven't had a chance to save up a 20% down payment, a doctor loan can turn your dream of homeownership into a reality. There are dozens of banks that offer physician loans, and BMO Harris is one of them. Depending on the state in which you live, a doctor loan from BMO Harris might be the best option for you. This BMO Harris Bank review will help you decide if this is the right lender for your next physician mortgage. Physician mortgage loans offer a unique opportunity for young doctors looking to purchase a home. Offering zero to low down payments, no PMI, and flexibility when reviewing your debt-to-income ratio, doctor loans make it possible for doctors early in their careers to secure a mortgage for their dream home. Even if you're still burdened with medical school debt and haven't had a chance to save up a 20% down payment, a doctor loan can turn your dream of homeownership into a reality. There are dozens of banks that offer physician loans, and BMO Harris is one of them. Depending on the state in which you live, a doctor loan from BMO Harris might be the best option for you. This BMO Harris Bank review will help you decide if this is the right lender for your next physician mortgage. Who is BMO Harris Bank? Based in Chicago, Illinois, BMO Harris is an ancillary of the Canadian conglomerate, Bank of Montreal. Millions of customers across multiple states use BMO Harris for their personal and commercial banking, investment, and wealth management services. BMO offers a variety of mortgage products and financial products, including personal loans, mortgages, home equity loans, home equity lines of credit, credit cards, checking accounts, savings accounts. The bank was founded in 1882 by Norman W. Harris. By 1960, it merged with Chicago National Bank to become Harris Bancorp, and then in 1984, it was acquired by the Bank of Montreal to become BMO Financial Group. As of January 2023, the OCC, Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, approved the merger of the Bank of the West in San Francisco with BMO Harris Bank. Prior to the 2023 merger, BMO operated in limited states in the U.S., but their footprint has since grown considerably